Good morning students, welcome back to online classes conducted by St. Xavier's High School, Baharganj. I am a biology teacher and I shall teach you biology in class 9. So today we shall discuss lesson 13, that is why do we fall ill. This lesson will be included for the post midterm examination, and one more lesson we have, that is natural resources, that will be for the final term. And diversity in living organism, it is the deleted, whole portion is deleted. So we will not study about diversity in living organisms. Okay. So today let us start chapter 13, that is why do we fall ill, or why do we fall ill. Now, as you all know, living organisms, they only fall ill. Non-living organisms, they do not fall ill. Living organisms, they fall ill because their body is made up of different types of cell. And as you all know, when this cell which forms the tissue and tissue forms the organ, when there is some abnormal condition in the organ or in the system, a particular system, then a person becomes sick or suffer from some disease when some microbes affects the organism, or due to the microbes or due to some internal reason, if there is some abnormal condition in the body, then it leads to diseases. Now let us see what happens in the cell. Cell is made up of a variety of materials, as you all know, chemical substances. It is made up of carbohydrates, fats, proteins and lipids. Complex reactions always take place inside the cell. That is called the metabolic activities. Other than metabolic activities, all the time inside the cell, repair is going on if there is some damage, and all the time cell division takes place. Clear? And new cells are formed by cell division. So in our cell, tissue and organ, various specialized activities are carried out all the time. So it is going on all the time. Heart is always busy pumping. Lungs is always busy breathing in and out. Kidney is all the time busy filtering urine from the blood, and brain is always busy thinking. So if one system, if one organ does not function properly, it is going to affect the other organ and system, because all this tissue, organ and organ system, they are interconnected with each other. If one organ or organ system does not function properly, it is going to affect the other system also. So for example, if the kidney does not function, if the kidney does not remove the impurities from the blood, then the poisonous substances will remain in the body system. It is going to affect the circulatory system, it is going to affect the breathing system, it is going to affect our nervous system, or because the poisonous substances will be deposited by the blood in the body in different organs and organ system. So it is very essential that all the system and organs, they function properly, otherwise we may suffer from some disease. Okay, so now let us see what is a disease. Let us see the definition of disease, which is given by WHO. What is health? Now let us discuss what is health by WHO. Health is a state of physical, mental and social well-being, and not merely absence of a disease, or you can say absence of diseases. If disease is absent, it does not mean that the person is healthy of a disease. Let us take similar. So according to WHO, a person is considered healthy, or just say health is a state of health by WHO. This is the definition of health. Health is a state of physical, mental and social well-being, and not merely absence of a disease. So this is the definition, and please note down in your copy. Now let us discuss the factors which are essential and the significance of health. So what is physical health? Physical health is physical fitness. Physical fitness. Clear? Mental health. When the person is able to cope up with the challenges or cope up the stresses of life. Mental health. Cope with stress of life. And is able to work very efficiently. Then social health means social interaction. Organisms are able to interact with the people around them in the society. So that is physical health, mental health and social. Physical health means physically fit, when the person is physically fit and all these organs function properly. Mental, when the person is cope up with the stress of the life and is able to work properly and show his abilities and work productively and contribute to the society. And social health is related to the social interaction of the person to the community, and they are independent and they are cooperative in nature, cooperative in manner with the society. Now let us discuss the significance of health. Significance of health. Significance means importance of health. So, what is the importance of health or significance of health? First is, it helps the person to lead a healthy and fruitful life. It helps a person to lead a healthy and happy life. Healthy and happy life. If a person is healthy, what will happen? It will be able to it makes a person more efficient. It makes a person more efficient. More efficient in their work. They become more efficient to work. Okay. And it makes the life fruitful. They become economically productive. It makes person economically productive. What does it mean? Means they are able to earn their livelihood. When they are healthy, then only they will be able to earn their livelihood. They work and earn money. And other than that, it makes a person socially active. It means he is able to interact with the society, with the people of the society very well. So these are the significance of health or importance of health. Now let us discuss the factors that determines health. Factors that determine health. Factors that determine health. So there are different factors which are responsible to maintain health. One, factors that determine health. Number one, that is physical environment. Physical environment. Physical environment. In physical environment, what you have? It is related to supply of safe water, clean air, safe air and housing, clean water, cleanliness of the surrounding where the person is living, or you can say clean road, clean water and cleanliness of the road and the workplaces. Clean water, road and workplaces. So when the air is safe or clean air is also safe air and housing, clean and clean air, it means unpolluted air. Then other than this, second factor is social environment. Social environment. In social environment a person gets support from his family. So support from the family, from the friends and from community is linked to better health. Support from family, friends and relatives helps to maintain good health. So if a person is living in an environment, in a society where he gets support from his parents, from his relatives and friends, then he is able to lead a healthy life. Third, you have the economic environment. Economic environment. Economic environment, what does it mean? When the person is able to earn his livelihood properly, and if the higher income is there. Economic environment, high income helps to lead a healthy life. Because if the person is earning good amount, he can get good food, he can live in hygienic condition. Whereas low income causes health problems. If the person is not earning proper amount of money, then he will not be able to supply his family members sufficient amount of food or a balanced diet, and the people may be sick. After this, you have education or personal behavior. Number four, education. Highly educated person are able to lead a healthy life because they know how to maintain the hygiene. They are able to earn money. Okay. Educated people, low education makes a person low education, you can say, deprives a person from a healthy lifestyle. Educated person person can lead a healthy and hygienic lifestyle. Okay. Then number 5, personal behavior. Personal behavior, that is personal hygiene. Personal hygiene. Personal hygiene. Physical fitness. Food habit. Personal hygiene, if a person maintains the personal hygiene, if he takes a balanced diet and he maintains his physical fitness, then the person will be healthy. Other than this, you have the genetic. If the person is suffering from some genetic disorder, or due to the genetic material or due to the gene, the person may be sick or may have a short lifespan. So this genetic or gene also is responsible for a healthy or non-healthy life. Other than this, then you have number 7. Lead to illness or short lifespan. Sure. Then one more point we have, number 7, that is health. If in a particular place, or you can say health services. In a particular area, assess and use of services to prevent diseases if it is proper. If the health services are proper health services are provided to the human beings, then the person can do the treatment properly and can lead a healthy life. So assess and use of treatment services to prevent diseases. Access and use of treatment services can help to prevent diseases. Clear?